I spotted this track repair crew just outside Sonora, California. They're working on the Sierra Northern Railway, which is a little short line railroad that runs between Oakdale and Sonora, California. It doesn't get a lot of traffic, but this track right here looks pretty beat up. These guys are making some repairs to it. Looks like this part of the crew's just getting ready to finish up here, putting their tools away. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you get a chance, please like and subscribe.